Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 3rd. In this unit, there is chapter and it's a poem. Name is Macavity, the Mystery Cat, and the chapter is talk about what about the our Indians. Okay, let's see the MCQ of the unit. Okay, the first here is given the instruction: choose the best option among the ones given below each question. Okay, the first MCQ is, in the year 1765 in India. What happened in 1765 in India? The British government ruled most of the country. East India Company ruled most parts of India. Indian princes ruled most of the country. The Mughals ruled the whole country. So the answer of this MCQ is the C. Indian princes ruled most of the country in 1765 in India. Number second, from 1757 to 1849, in this duration from 1757 to 1849, there was no peace in India. Because what is the reason? What was the reason of the not given the peace in India? So the reasons here given. Okay, reason. Let's see the options. The Indian princes kept fighting each other. The East India Company was cruel. Tipu Sultan fought the British, and there were Hindu-Muslim riots. So the answer of the second MCQ is from 1757 to 1849. The Indian princes kept fighting each other. The Indian princes kept fighting each other. Okay, that is what not given the peace in India. Okay, third, the business community welcomed the British. The business community welcomed the British come to in India. Okay, because they liked European. They disliked their own countrymen. The British rule had brought a degree of peace, or they were afraid of the British. So the business community welcomed the British because the British rule had brought a degree of peace. That is why. Okay, MCQ number 4. The worst suffered under the British rule were. What was the worst suffered under the British rule were? Who served in East India Company, the business community, the religious leaders, or the poor farmers and artisans. When the Britishers ruled over our country, they harmed the poor farmers and artisans, and they were suffered. Means the poor farmers and artisans were suffered by the Britishers. Number 5th, in the early 19th century, Raja Ram Mohan Roy was an able fighter, an important reformer, a great religious person, or a great king. So in early 19th century, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, an important reformer. Number 6, under regulation 3rd of the British rulers, Indians were to pay higher taxes, British goods become cheap, cotton weavers became poor, or Indians could be jailed without trial in a court. So under the British rule of this regulation 3rd, the Britishers Indians could be jailed without trial in a court. That was the regulation passed by the Britishers. Okay, so these are the MCQs of the chapter. Now comes to the poem. MCQ of the poem, Macavity. Macavity is a mystery cat because what? He has hidden powers. Because he had hidden powers, no one understands his ways. Scotland Yard is baffled by him, or he has hidden paw. So Macavity is a mystery cat because no one understands his way. Nobody means understand his way, where he comes and when he go. Okay. Macavity is never punished because he disappears into thin air. He has a hidden paw. He is never found at the scene of a crime, or Scotland Yard does not understand him. So Macavity is never punished because he is never found at the scene of crime. When he commits the crime, then when the Scotland Yard came there, this Macavity is not there. Okay, Macavity breaks what? Macavity breaks the pot, the wall, for its honor or human law. So Macavity breaks the human laws which were made by the human, that was broken by the Macavity. Now the fourth, the adjective from the word mystery. So mystery, mysterious, mystic, mystify, or mysticism. So option A is the mysterious is the adjective form of mystery. Okay, then next. The great difficulty is that Macavity is easily found, is very difficult to be found, is a ginger cat, or is tall and thin. So the great difficulty is that Macavity is very difficult to be found when he commits crime. He was not there. Okay, it was very difficult to found the Macavity at the place where commits what? Crime. Ginger in the passage is a thing that Macavity like, something which resembles Macavity, the color of Macavity, or the breed of Macavity. So the ginger in the passage means a color of Macavity. Macavity's color like a ginger. And the poet's name is, who has written the poem? So the poet is T.S. Eliot, has written this poem, Macavity, the mystery cat. The word sunken in the passage. The word sunken in the passage means deep set. Was deep set. Sunken in the passage means deep set. And the next. Okay. The finned and feline shape is what? Shape of what? Macavity, a dog, a human being, or the poet. So this poem is talk about Macavity, cat. So the answer is Macavity, A. It is difficult to find Macavity when he lives in the square, he lives in by street, he is a fiend, or he commits a crime. So it is difficult to find Macavity when he commits a crime, then disappeared it. Macavity is compared to whom? Macavity is compared to a devil, not a man, a cat, a dog, but devil, a devil. The word depravity means, what is the meaning of the word depravity? Deep thought, moral corruption, bad actions, or mystery. So the depravity means moral corruption. What? Moral corruption. So these are the MCQs of the unit 3rd. Talk about that chapter and a poem. Poem name is Mystery Macavity, the mystery cat, and the chapter name is Glimpses of the Past. I hope you understand about these MCQs. Thank you.